In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a virtual background in StreamYard. By the end, you'll know exactly how to blur your background, pick a built-in image, or upload your own, so your stream looks clean and professional. First, open StreamYard and log into your account. Head straight into your studio for either a live stream or a recording. It's best to do this a few minutes before you go live, so you have time to preview your camera and make small adjustments. Even with a virtual background, good lighting helps a lot. Try to face a light source and avoid bright windows behind you. Once you're in the studio, look for the Settings button. It's the little gear icon. Click that to open your settings panel. You'll see a few categories here, but the one we want is called Virtual Background. Go ahead and select the Virtual Background tab to open your options. Here, you can choose the type of background you want. If you want a subtle, distraction-free look, select the Blur option. This keeps you in focus while softening everything behind you. If you want something more branded or themed, pick one of the built-in background images. These are ready to use and give you a clean, consistent look without extra setup. If you prefer to use your own image, click the plus button to upload a file from your computer. StreamYard supports PNG or JPG formats, and you can save up to about 30 custom images. For best results, choose a high-resolution, horizontally oriented image. Simple, uncluttered designs tend to look more natural. If your background includes text or logos, keep them away from the edges so they don't get cropped. When you see the image you want, just click it. The change applies instantly, replacing your background in real time. Take a moment to move slightly in your chair and check the edges around your hair and shoulders. If you notice any flicker, adjust your lighting or sit a little farther from the camera for a cleaner cutout. A steady camera and even lighting make a big difference. You can switch between blur, built-in images, and your uploads at any time, even during your session. Keep a few favorites saved so you can match the tone of your show, professional for interviews, relaxed for casual chats, or themed for special events. That's it. You've logged in, opened your studio, gone into settings, selected virtual background, chosen blur or an image, optionally uploaded your own, and enabled the background you want. You're ready to stream with a polished look.